Good morning. It's a beautiful day here on Phu Quoc Island. It's a good day for an adventure. So we're going to go for a scooter ride into the heart of Phu Quoc, deep into the jungle. I don't know what we'll find there, but you'll have to stay tuned to find out. Let's go. Well, that makes it a bit difficult, doesn't it? Looks like we'll just have to find another way. Well, it's not quite what I expected. It appears the jungle has an entry fee and a parking lot. Which way? It's no help. Okay, let's go this way. Second thoughts, let's go this way. Alright, Google Translate time. Please maintain general hygiene. The stream area on the chair to visit requires that you are not to bring commune rubs on the beach. Okay. Xin chào. This way. I think it's this way. Hello. Okay. Thank you. That's nice that they provide bins. You can hear running water. Could probably swim in that little water hole. Let's see what's up ahead. Quite a few mosquitoes in here. Alright, this is more like it. How do I get over there? I want to see what's up there. I might have to wade across. I think this will do. So good. bad, eh? There are some great swimming holes up here. Alright, that's the end of the waterfalls. I wonder where the stream comes from. Okay, I think that was a success. We found a good waterfall, a nice swimming hole, got some sun. Gonna go find some lunch. Then we'll see what kind of adventures we can get up to this afternoon. See you there. Oh yeah, and I'll put the name of this place down here in case you want to find it. Okay, we're going back into the jungle now. We're going to climb up this mountain. Hopefully there's a good view up there. I've been wanting to climb this mountain for days, but it kept raining. And actually it did rain this morning, but it's been really sunny. So I'm hoping it's dried out enough, not too muddy and slippery. It's a hot day today. Luckily this walk is in the jungle, so at least it's shady. It's quite steep, very muggy. I've only just started and I'm already exhausted. I just have to take it easy, I think. I've got to take a rest here. I'm a bit unfit for this. I'm puffed. It's a bit like I'm climbing a mountain and having a sauna at the same time. Check out this rock. I kind of wish I was back at the waterfall having a swim. Very beautiful here though. Okay, it appears we now have to ascend a cliff. Alright, I need a rest first. If you sit still for too long, you just get eaten by mozzies. That certainly gets the adrenaline pumping. At this point I can only walk a couple of 100 meters before I have to rest. Does it look steep on camera? Probably not. Say it's over 45 degrees. This is a tough climb, but I'm determined to get to the top. Okay, I think it flattens out here. Thank goodness. Yes, I made it. Whew. Yeah, it's worth it. I'm not going across there. Well, it was worth it. Just for these elevated hammocks, if anything. Hammocks with a view. Okay, I think that's all for today. I'm worn out after that climb. Gonna head home, have a rest, maybe get a coconut to rehydrate. Okay, signing out. Excuse me. Signing out.